Hello, and welcome to this demo of TrailMix, the cutting-edge protocol for creating and executing fully on-chain, decentralized trailing stop losses. If you've ever worried about sudden market crashes or mistaking profits at the peak, TrailMix is here to revolutionize your trading strategy. If you don't know what a trailing stop loss is, then here's a 30-second explanation. A trailing stop loss is a moving exit price for your trade. As the market price climbs, it trails behind, maintaining a preset distance, typically a chosen percentage. When the price drops from its highest level by your chosen percentage, it activates a sell, protecting your profits. Let's dive in to the TrailMix protocol. You can start by connecting your wallet. You can access the demo site in the description below. To start, simply select your tokens that you want, the token pair that you want to use. In this case, the only token pair that is implemented is Wrapped-Matic in USDC. This means you will deposit Wrapped-Matic, and after it reaches your certain threshold, it will be swapped into USDC. Then you select your trail. We will choose, in this case, 10% trail. You select how frequently you want the price threshold to update, and then you click Deploy. Each strategy operates in its own smart contract vault, meaning your funds are individualized and secure. This means no commingling of user funds and strong security guarantees. So now you can see here that we've deployed a new trailing stop loss. It is Wrapped-Matic versus USDC. It has a 10% trail, and it's currently inactive. I've deployed a mock price oracle so I can manually simulate price movements to speed this up. Let's start by depositing some funds. Let's deposit 0.01 Wrapped-Matic. When you click deposit, it'll ask you to approve the use of your funds. We'll start by approving this. You might need to wait a second and then refresh the page. We will just input 0.01, deposit. You can see this is calling the deposit function on our contract. We will click confirm. And again, we will have to update or reload to update the site. Great. Now you can see that our current ERC20 balance, which in this case is Wrapped-Matic, is 0.01. You can see that the strategy is now active and that our threshold sell price is when the price reaches below $5.40. You can see this threshold price will update to be 10% below the current new price when the price reaches above $6.06. To set this up, we're going to manually register the upkeep via Chainlink automation. Like I mentioned previously, I'm going to be using a mock Chainlink price oracle that allows me to update the current price so I can manually simulate price action. You can see here that our next update price is $6.06. Let's say the price rises to something easy to calculate, such as $10. This is above $6.06, so our new sell threshold should jump to $9, which is 90% of $10. I'm using Remix to interact with the mock price oracle here. Chainlink automation should automatically update this price threshold in the contract, as well as check if it's below and possibly do the swap on Uniswap. So I will quickly reload the page. And great, you can see now the current price is $10. The next price update will be $10.10, and the current sell threshold is $9. If the price were to drop to $9.50, nothing would happen because it's not below the threshold of $9 and it doesn't cause, and it's not above $10.10. However, if the price were to fall to, let's say, $8, simulate that here, then the contract will automatically swap the current ERC20 balance into our desired stablecoin or stable asset. In the future, this could be ETH or Wrapped Bitcoin, but in this case, it's USDC. So I will reload here, and hopefully the contract will have swapped our 0.01 Wrapped-Matic into some amount of USDC via Uniswap. Yep, great. You can see the current price is now $8, which is below the threshold that was set, and our ERC20 balance is 0. Our stablecoin balance is currently this. You can ignore the amount because on the Mumbai testnet, the Uniswap pools are unbalanced, but we can then withdraw this stablecoin balance. You can also withdraw at any time, canceling the strategy, but for right now, we will just withdraw our USDC. We can see that currently we have 12,069, but after we withdraw, we should have more. Great, and now you can see we have an additional 400 extra USDC given to us by our contract. And then you can see that if we reload, the stablecoin balance will be 0. And we can later reuse this contract or simply deploy a new one for a new strategy. That's TrailMix in a nutshell. To explore it for yourself, please check out the demo app linked below. For more in-depth information, visit our GitHub page. Thank you for watching, and here's to smarter, more secure trading with TrailMix.